Hello everybody from New York. Today I will show you Bryant Park. I'm living in New York City 3.5 years. I'm living in Brooklyn and today I'm on Manhattan. I'm going to my doctor. I will show to him my eyes. 1 month ago was my eye surgery. Look at the beautiful buildings. I like it. I came here by train. The fare it was $2.75. When I came here to New York, the fare was $2.75, $2.75. For 3.5 years, the fare on New York City subway has not changed. It's really good because on my city where I was born, price for trip on bus was changed every half year. Let me tell to you how I'm learning English, because English it's not my first language. My first language is Russian. Привет всем, это я говорю на русском. Okay, it was my Russian language. I try to learn English, but it's really very difficult to me. I learn by movies, by YouTube. I'm going to English school, by only on Zoom. I want to say hello my teacher, Catherine. Hello, Catherine. Glad to see you. Right for this corner, on right corner, you can see subway. Price on this subway $2.75. You can see train, how it looks, so beautiful buildings. I like it. I like to drink coffee on park. With every year and every week I try to speak more clearly, more interesting. I try to learn English, but who try to learn another language and who not so smart like me, I'm not very smart. It's my problem, very big problem. From right side you can see restaurant. You can see on left side very good, very tasty food. I like its food. And who try to learn another languages, he understand me how it's very, very difficult. I try to learn, but sometimes on movie people talk on British English. Sometimes people on movie talking on American English. But people from another states on USA talking from the accent. I have Russian accent. Someone have another accent. It's me. My name is Vasya. I'm 35 years old. It's me. You can see on me t-shirts with Hey Arnold, Helga. I don't know how another movies on English. On Russian language it was Котопёс. It's like cat and dog. You can see how it's beautiful, yeah? Really. It's a very quiet place. It's a corner. You can see on Russia these lights was green color. In New York City and in USA it's white color. On the left side you can see subway. I'm going to my doctor. He need check my eyes. I had eye surgery 3-4 weeks ago. Soon will be 1 month. I can tell 1 month. And he checking my eyes, how it looks. I had lazy eye. It was very difficult to me. I had very big problems with that because I saw 2 different pictures from my eyes. I had MRI, I had every medical exams. I don't have any big problem in my brain. If doctors watching me, they can think about very bad things. But no, I don't have some dangerous. My eye was lazy 4 years ago. Just start, and 5 years ago I had very good eyes. My eyes was good, but after big depression in Russia, my left eye start watching something somewhere inside my nose. Oh, how it's difficult to me to talking. Really, looks how it's a really beautiful place. I really like it. I really take one big coffee, and drink it and watch, just watch. Listen music, to sit on my Facebook or on my YouTube channel, on Instagram, TikTok. I like it. I want to sleep here, but I don't know, can I do that or not? I want to sleep on grass somewhere. I want, but I'm shy. I see how many people do that, and I'm shy. It's me again. Oh yeah, you can see my t-shirt. I like it. I watch every cartoons of my t-shirt, but I don't know how it's name on English languages. And in the school, when I goes to school, when I was child, I learning British English, and now I try to talk on American English. Now I understand why it's different languages, and it's very interesting to me. But really, it's some difficult because I'm not smart. I'm really try. Looks. Now I'm going to left side to my doctor. Doctor tell me my eyes is good. I don't need second surgery. Next visit to my doctor will be on November or December. He will check on me. I wish it will be good and will be okay, because it was my first surgery on my life. I was very scared, and it was very scared to me because I had general anesthesia. It's very scared to me because it's first time on my life and first my surgery, and it's really some scared to me. But it was only 1 hour, and after 1 hour I was wake up. I slept only 2 hours, and not pain, nothing dangerous, nothing seriously. My health is good now. Tomorrow I will show to you my photos before and after surgery and my eyes. I see interesting thing. In USA people like drink coffee. People can drink coffee liters, many cups in day, and very strong coffee. I like it. I like strong coffee. I have a very low blood pressure every time, like my mom. She have a very low blood pressure too, and me too, unfortunately. And I can sleep 10 hours or more if I have time. Oh, sorry, it was on outside. Okay, it's me still going to my doctor. Looks for beautiful buildings. Really, I like it. Behind me construction, left and right side, you can see. I worked on construction a little bit. It was interesting experience. On right side you can take bicycles. I don't know price for bicycles, but not so big. It's like $15 in day, or from morning to evening, like that. If you're watching this video, please write something on this video. It will be very good for me. I am only try to be video creator, to be bloggers, and it's very interesting to me what you thinking about my videos. It will be very nice to me. Thank you so much. And please subscribe to me. I try to learn English, and I will show to you very beautiful New York and USA. I'm living in New York City. Thank you for watching this video. This was Vasya from New York and a little bit on Russian language. Спасибо всем большое, кто посмотрел этот ролик. Кто досмотрел этот ролик до конца, спасибо вам большое. Мне будет очень приятно, если вы напишите парочку слов под этим роликом. Критика, не важно. Пожалуйста, будет очень приятно. Подписывайтесь, я буду снимать и выкладывать много интересных роликов. На русском и на английском каналах ролики будут выкладываться разные. Спасибо всем, пока. Bye bye everybody, thank you for watching.